Over there to your right behind you, there's a sandy beach there. That's where they were out there
sunbathing.
Yeah. So we haven't seen no 62. It should be right around this corner here, I want to say. Yeah. Even kayaking downriver is a pain in the ass. It's a long way, you'd be surprised. And they probably give you some kind of time range to be there, so they're not sitting there waiting all friggin' day either, you know? Some get there earlier than others, and some don't. What the fuck happens then? There's a little beach behind you. Is that a trail? Or does it dead end? There's a palm tree there. Look at that.
Yeah, there's a palm tree.
I doubt it. You'd see the people's shit. Never know though. You never know. I never did. That could be that Boy Scout. No, that comes after 62. Nevada Hot Spring. No, that could be Boy Scout Canyon Hot Spring. That way. I bet you that's what it is. Yeah, it's a hike. Like, so that tells us